Alright guys, mayad na agahon.
Mayad na agahon guys.
Karen's fixing breakfast.
Just to show the fire. How I made that. Earlier guys, I am struggling to start the fire because the wood is a little bit watery, or there's a water.
It's wet.
It's wet.
So you're using bamboo, I see.
Yeah, because bamboo is easily to dry.
So what are you making? You got tomatoes and onions. What else?
Sardines.
Tomatoes, onions, and sardines. Okay. All right. See you later, guys. You gotta go. You're going to Kalibo. Oh, you're going to Kalibo today, right, Karen?
Yes.
All right. So we'll see you later, guys. We're gonna be on our way to Kalibo. All right, guys. We're getting Starlink set up so we can go down the hill and go live. And we got a lot of work to do down there. And we're gonna. Today's long form video is going to be about the budget. People are asking me again about the budget, how much it costs. Always, how much it costs. It doesn't matter what it is, guys. Whatever we're doing, going to, Boracay, renting the sailboat, whatever we're doing, people are asking what it costs. And 10 times so for the house. So today Karen's going to go over the budget for you all, and we'll let you know what everything cost us to date. And people ask me what it's going to cost when we're all finished, and the truth is I have no idea. Right, Karen?
In my book, I list down.
Yeah. So, in other words, looking back, we can tell you. Looking forward, can't tell you nothing. I have no idea. So, yeah, this box is really useful, guys. It's so we can transport the Starlink system. We can bring our gardening supplies and our seeds and our cassavas tied to the front of the motorbike. Karen's really weighing me down, and she's going to take her smash down too. No?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, we're just going to take this one today, guys.
Yeah.
We got some beans to plant. We're going to clean the property up, and we're going to work on the house a little, see what needs to be done down there. And mainly, this is going to be a budget video. The live stream will be all the other fun today.
Because yesterday, guys, it's not really good.
We're in the garage Tatai made here, guys. His outbuilding for the he's got the thresher in here, and the motorbikes are in here. Built out of native materials, and it's really leak proof and cool. Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
That's nice, all right. Better than a metal roof. All right, see you later, guys. We're gonna go down the hill with all our equipment. Pabo's having an attack here, guys. Pabo should be careful. Be careful about getting on people's nerves, Pabo. I wouldn't do it if I was you.
Or else I will eat you. I will eat you.
She's not kidding, Pabo. All right, guys. The buko is here. All right. Thank you. Awesome. Karen! One of these native ones just came in here and is attacking the chicks. A native. Really a wiry fighting type chicken.
Where?
He went back that way. He came in here and pecked at the chickens.
I will tell my
It's over
parents.
there.
I will tell my parents that be careful because the natives are bullying the...
Yeah, it's a slender one. Kind of black and gray spots. They're just little guys. It's not fair. You see them?
Yeah.
Is that one of ours?
Maybe. I think no.
Somebody else's?
Maybe.
Where'd he go?
At the back.
All right.
Guys, don't be
Watch out for.
scared of him, huh?
Oh, they better be scared. They ran like.
This big one should protect your colleagues, ha?
He doesn't know how yet.
Nay, bantayan ninyo na guys mo na ginapututan mga native. Oh. Uwami na itong ito na ito naman, no? Tapos na nito, ating ito, tawag.
Come here. Come here, buddy. There you go. So tame. Ready to go, Karen? All right, let's go. All right, guys. Karen's calculating our materials and labor's cost to this date, and we'll let you know what it is. The floor is nicely compacted now. We just got to get some gravel in here and pour some. We got to pour the footings, and then we'll pour the floors, put the walls up, and move on from there. It's pretty much downhill now, right, Karen?
Yeah.
So let's just give them raw figures on the labor and the materials. When it's all wrapped up, we'll make a big comprehensive video, but people are asking me what it costs. So we'll tell you what we know. As for the future, nobody knows. So we're going to do a live stream later. We brought Starlink down from the mountain. You can see the unit on there. The antenna's on the cinder blocks there. We've been having trouble with obstructions on the mountain, and I do believe it's because of the trees. So the signal gets slow. It just suddenly stops on us. But just in case it's the phone, we're going to use the Android. Right, Karen? We'll use the Android for the live stream. And we'll see how. We'll let you know how it works, guys.
The Android is much better.
The what?
Android is much better.
Yeah, I don't know why. Because maybe Apple's always, updating its.
Like that.
Yeah, updating, all confused. My search functions are not working in my photos folder and stuff like that. But, oh, we've got an anwang awful close out there, Karen, to our tomatoes. That's not what I want to see about my tomatoes. Oh, Roxy, it's just me, girl. Hey, chickies. Hi, Roxy. You're so awful sociable today. What's going on? The Rhode Islanders gonna start laying eggs soon. We gotta get your box done. Come here, Roxy. Come here, baby. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. No, calm down. Karen will feed you later. All right, let's go see the anwang. I'm gonna have to get an electric fence for you, anwang. Not you messing with my tomatoes. Rope's broke. Be good. Don't come in here now. That's all we need, our rogue anwang in here sampling our meager garden vegetables and fruits growing every day. Alright. Everything looks, not everything, but some things look a little wilty. It's what happens when the ground is very wet for a long time. The roots don't develop very well, so you end up with can't really keep up with the demand for water when the roots are that stunted because of the damp weather. But the sooner it gets warm and dry here, stops raining, the better. Because that's when things will really kick into gear. Once the plants are acclimated, the roots start digging, you know, deeper, pushing deeper for water. That's when you see some real growth going on. And take advantage of the full soil profile to get nutrients. All right, guys, Karen's got the final numbers here for our cost of materials and labor to date. So materials is, here you go, Karen. The materials is 1,094,341 pesos. Labor's been 340,000 pesos. Total is 1,434,341 pesos, guys. So, can you see it?
Okay. Yeah.
So
It's blurry. Yeah,
okay.
That's clear.
You can digitally put it on the screen through the text. So far to date, my friend Joe says we're 40% of the way to being done in his estimation, and 1,434,000.
Like almost 1.5 already.
Yeah, so we're almost getting near 1.5 million pesos, guys.
But we have roof now, guys. Post, and then soon, guys, is the flooring, and we have a lot of bars or rebars still there, James, that we didn't use.
So 1,431,000 pesos. And I think the exchange rate's somewhere near 58, divided by 58 pesos to the dollar. So that's 24,724 US dollars, guys. Today, we're looking at $24,700. Not too bad at all, considering when you look around what all we've done here. I mean, we made a few mistakes, spent a little bit, you know, ended up spending a little more on a couple things than we wanted to, but we're still under $25,000 at this date, guys. So I would consider that, you know, a pretty tremendous victory. Yeah? All right.
Hi guys, so we're gonna buy a soft drink, guys, in a variety store, or we call here in Philippines a sari-sari store, guys. I prefer to walk because it's slippery still using the motorcycle, and it's exercise also, guys. It's hard for me to talk more because I have a lot of mouth sore. I don't know why. Maybe because of our weather here, that is sometimes it's too much hot in my lips. So this is our road that we are always crossing, guys. That is our house. It's only a meter, guys. It's close only. The sari-sari store. Oh my god, this dog. I'm just crossing the road, guys. He don't want me to cross because I don't know. Oh, don't bite me, huh? Audio mix sounds. So I gonna buy Coke over there, guys, in the sari-sari store. So because it's hot today. Call. Here, guys. Baka Coke akong 125. Coke. Chocomocho lang din. Bilang. Na ano yun? Tatlo. Kombi lang din nga, daywa. Alin te, Pepsi man anang bote.
Oo nga, hindi mo nakalimutan ko ano.
Or Red Horse, inom. Abang tayo wate ko.
Ilan ito?
Dalawa te.
Wala na.
Wala na. So they have only 1000 ml guys. They don't have 1.5 which is in plastic. They have here a glass and chocomocho bars guys, and then combi. That's James' favorite guys. He always want Coke. He prefer guys the Coke Zero, but here in Baletes we don't have, so only the original flavor here guys. So let's visit him again. He's doing live stream guys. Oh my god, it's tall here guys. My legs is short only. Yeah. B, I have Coke now.
She's got in the glass bottle, Philippines. Now, guys, this is getting to be a treat for me, okay? Than some of the other ones. And the beaches are white sand here. Some of the other beaches are like brown and dirty. The beaches here are white sand. The water's blue, even when the wind's blowing and there's high waves. I can't even believe the water's still blue, you know? When it should be turbid, it's not, it's blue.
Jeans, Coke.
So, but I would recommend you research your provinces and islands and figure out which one you want to go to. I'm on Panay and I absolutely love it. I would do it again. No problem. Some of the other islands, maybe the beaches are a little dirtier and they don't have, like, you know, there's not a shopping mall an hour away.
Be chocomocho.
But here you have all that. And when you're big town to Libo, you have malls, you have doctors, you have living money.
Chocober's favorite of James guys. He always wants chocomocho.
Power tools, they tell me the batteries aren't as good as the portable power tools. But the ones you plug in
And
are all
combi,
good to
this
go.
is my favorite one guys. A combi.
But they're not as good. What they're selling here is not necessarily as good as Milwaukee or DeWalt. All right, guys, we're back up here in the mountains. Karen and I are kind of tired. We meant to tell you earlier, so we're telling you now. We were supposed to go to Klebo, but the Honda shop called and told us that they didn't have time today, so bring it in tomorrow. So early tomorrow morning, we're bringing the bike to Honda and Klebo. That's the idea anyway, so we'll see if we can get it done tomorrow morning early.
Yeah, like 8:30 guys, because the schedule as first customer tomorrow.
And we've got a VIP guest coming tomorrow. You'll find out later who that is. And so thank you everybody for watching our vlog.
Live stream earlier too guys.
Remember to hit the like button, and thank you everybody.